Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use economic calendar on investing.com. So to get started, let's open browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. Here search for investing.com. It will open investing.com website. Now here you can sign in with your account. When you sign in your account, you can see this kind of interface. Here you will be able to see your watch list, crypto, news, analysis, charts, technical, economic calendar. For now, we are here to know how to use economic calendar. So let's go to economic calendar, that is just below the brokers and tools. Click on it, it will navigate you to this interface. So in this interface, you will be able to see today events, rise and fall of the stock markets of today, and also you can see tomorrow events, yesterday, this week and next week. So in this way you can see rise and fall of stock markets. So in this way you can use economic calendar on investing.com. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.